Let's make keto buns with 0 net carbs per serving. These are absolutely perfect. They tear apart and they feel like real bread. These are the perfect substitute for burger buns, for keto and carnivore. You'll only need 5 ingredients for this recipe. First, we're going to separate the eggs from the egg yolk. I'm using a Dash hand mixer bestowed upon me by Lady Elaine. As always, I'll leave the links in the description of this video for all the tools and ingredients I use to make this amazing recipe. As the egg whites are mixing, we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of Swerve keto sweetener. Then we'll mix the batter until it's evenly combined. I switched out the mixer tool for the beaters. And now the egg whites are really going to fluff up now. It should triple in size. And then I scrape down the sides to make sure everything is evenly combined. And now I'm going to combine a 1/2 cup of egg white powder to the mix. This is the exact consistency we're looking for, just like whipped cream. Now I'm placing the cream on a pan lined with parchment paper. I'm going to top it with sesame seeds and into the oven, preheating at 325 degrees for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Look at these buns. These look amazing and they taste delicious. Look at the consistency of these buns. These are some of the best buns I've ever made on keto. Hope you enjoy.